Hello guys, so today in this video I'm going to show you how do you verify your account on Wise. So if you have already created your account on Wise, so log into your Wise account. So in order to verify your account, all you have to do is just simply add some money to your Wise account. So by doing so you can automatically verify your account. So what happens is, like, when you log in, click on your left panel here, you have a manage option. Click on it. So once you click on manage here, all right, so under manage, click on account details. So here, choose the account that you will be doing the transaction with. So most probably the based on your current location, so choose uh, the your currency. So once you have choose your currency, click on it and then click on get account details. So now what happens here is you just have to deposit some money. So each, depending on your place of depending on your location and your currency that you have chosen, you might need to deposit a certain specific threshold amount, and you need to verify your identity in order to verify your account. So for here, so that's the things that you will need. So click on get account details, and then here, once you have done that, all right, so next step, you just have to add the amount that you're going to add. So if there's a minimum amount, then you just have to add the type in that amount, or if you want to add more than the minimum amount, you can just type that in. So whatever that you wish to, and then click on continue. So here what happens is you will need to provide the payment details. All right, so click on continue. All right, so just choose what you're going to use this account for. So just choose any option here based on your requirements. Do that. And once you have done that, click continue. So once the next step, you just have to answer this, how much you're going to use. So just choose anything that any option here based on your uh, requirements. So choose that, click on continue, and then here it's going to ask you a few questions. So yeah, just type and fill all those informations. Then once that's done, click continue. And here, all right, so it's going to do some background verification check, so you can continue with this. Right, click continue, and then it's just we're doing some verification. And then here, now you have to enter your ID details, so you can just choose whatever ID depending on what you have. And yep, you can just mention that. So yep, just need to provide your details. So I'm choosing my ID here, so I'm just going to provide my ID details here. All right, so once you have typed in your ID details, then it's going to ask you how would you like to make this payment here. So you can choose either options here by using your card or whatever that you wish, that's easier for you. So you can just choose whatever it is. So I will just choose debit card. So just click on continue. Right. All right, so here you just need to enter your payment information. So if you're using card, just mention your card details. So once you have provided your card details, then your payment will be deducted and money will be added to your account. And the next step will be, it will ask you to attach a copy of your ID. So whatever ID that you wish to provide, just attach a copy of it and then click on save, and that's it. So once you submit the IDs, then your account will be automatically verified and you're all good to use your account now. So that's pretty much how it is. Hope this video is helpful to you guys. I'll see you guys in another video soon.